Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can add camera watermark in your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. First, go to camera and go to three vertical dots here and click on settings icon of camera here and click on watermark option and turn on the button against watermark. And here in author name you can just include the text that will be printed as watermark. Here just I write my website name www.facultyon.com faculty, but it's saying character limit reached, so just I write faculty on and click on save. And short on OnePlus will also be showing. If you don't want, just turn off this button and also location turn off. If you really want to display date and time, just turn it on, and along with your watermark, date and time will be printed. And now take any photo. Go to camera again and take any photo. And see in the photo. Open the photo that you took. See in the bottom left side, watermark is printed by faculty on. This is the watermark, and date and time along with watermark also printed. So in this way you can easily add watermark in your phone OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.